Hi my beautiful followers, let me show you how I did this. So first thing first, this client came to me with her nails grown, fully grown like that, and you can see the result of my work. And this is how you do when you follow my tutorials. This is what happened. So one of the nail came out. I think it was an accident. Then we socked off. They were looking very healthy. Then this design, what you need to start with is a base coat. Then you apply your brighter color like the way I'm doing in this video, making sure you don't reach at the nail bed. You just apply the color on the tips only, then you cure it for 2 minutes. After that, you will cover it with a clear acrylic so that it can help you during filing and during drilling, so that you don't create patches during drilling. You will do that to some entire nails. And remember, controlling clear acrylic on gel polish is not easy. Okay, so sometimes they will come out bulky and out of shape. So as a nail tech, you must learn how to shape and making sure your product is staying in place, because if it's out of place, your client will start catching feelings, and you don't want that to happen. So when you're done, you're going to the remaining part, you're going to use your nude to apply it like the way you usually do with regular ombre or ombre design, depending on where you're coming from. Maybe you're a British or American. Americans call it ombre, British call it ombre, so I don't know. So me, I usually call it ombre. So whoever was your teacher, so you will do that like that. I usually like using 2 bead method on the cuticles, 2 small bead method, so that it can give me that flawless look. Okay, the flawless look is what's going to distinguish you from other nail tech. You want your work to be so impeccable and clean. This is what you're going to do here. So you make sure you blend the pink and the nude like that, the way I'm doing here, and you just have to be very patient and make sure you tilt the nails facing downward. So when you're done, you're going to level the playground, I mean the nail bed, with clear acrylic, so that when you drill, you have that uniform surface. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it, and you have to be patient because most of clear acrylic usually stick on your brush. So control it properly. You don't want to have any problem during this procedure. Are we together, my people? Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because you know how we do it. Then you drill this, debulk it, because after applying clear, it's usually bulky and you don't want that. You debulk it before you shape it. Make sure you debulk it, because when you debulk it with drill, it's going to save your time during filing, because you don't want to take the whole day there. Then after debulking, now that's when you're shaping the way I'm doing here. You don't have to spend the whole day doing nails. The only place you should spend a lot of time is in bed with your guy, you know, with your partner, if you understand what I'm saying. So this is how you're going to blend, and making sure you take your time. And remember, this is not stiletto, this is almond. So when you're done with filing again, you have to do what we call finishing. Finishing is leveling the nails to be smooth and uniform on the surface. So that's what we do, finishing. If you have a thick underneath, you have to clean it up the way I'm doing here. So after that, then you go in with your buffer, then you will be good to go with your top coat. You can see the result. Subscribe, please.